Two rounds left against round number 13 with women's candidates in 50 candidates here. So I'm sorry I got late here with analyze because I'm very tired. I'm gonna rest in this while I'm starting my with applying without workshop in this company here. So in this today's round number 13 in this 50 candidates in women's candidates, and also have a between with Grandmaster in Russia Katarina Lagno faces battle by Grandmaster in India is Divya Deshmukh. So in this today's round number 13, what do you think about the missing by Forgot Her with brilliant pawns here with sacrifice here? So what do you think about the studies of this play chess here? So let's study of this play games here. Okay, white against with Grandmaster Katarina Lagno in these white pieces, and versus black pieces with Grandmaster in India is Divya Deshmukh. So without upcoming by end of this round with 50 candidates here. So in this today's round number 13 in this women's candidates, and without time clocks with 1 hour 30 minutes plus 30 seconds without exchange clocks here with women's candidates here. So in this part of these videos here in this round number 13, and also have the analyze of the standings of women's candidates. So white plays Lagno is e4, c6 by Deshmukh again with Karukan, d4, d5, and also knight d2 by Lagno. Why knight d2 here? So it means without Lagno, without book lines here, so it means knight d2. So without main lines here, it's also have a with the push of without e5, and second by captured, and third by knight c3. So without knight c3 here, it is controlled by main lines here. So it means this is the without fourth here is knight d2 here. So this is a new main lines here, and Deshmukh is captured this pawn. Knight takes by Lagno, and also knight f6 book lines here by Deshmukh. Continue knight captured upcoming by book lines with Lagno. Takes with captured against with book lines with Deshmukh here. g3 by Lagno. Without upcoming by bishop g2. So without Fianchetto's attacks with light square against with Lagno here. Bishop d6 by Deshmukh. So it is called by Karukan defense Torta cover variation. It is without openings by without chess openings here. And without continuous is bishop g2 by Lagno, castle kingside by Deshmukh, and also knight e2 without upcoming by next castling by Lagno. Bishop to g4 by Deshmukh without controls with disturbance by with stab against with pins with queens here. And also castle kingside by with Lagno here, and also queen d7. Whoa, without queen d7. So this is a very precious against with Deshmukh. Rook e1, more controls with upwards with pins against rook e files here. So this is a rook e files by Lagno. Knight a6, so this is a novelty by Deshmukh because this is a disappearance by not found on this book line here. Without old main lines here is rook e8 is a old main lines by recording by database by chess.com, so it means rook e8. So rook a8 here, so it means with knight a6 disappearance by book lines by Deshmukh, so this is a novelty here. And also pawn a3 with Lagno. So what's the plus or no more by this one with bishop to b4 because this is a connected by pass pawn against with Lagno here. And also h5 by Deshmukh. What a fantastic sacrifice against with Deshmukh. So what the plans? Or maybe here by sacrifice by with pawns against with h4 here. So this is a bad pawns here. Queen d3 by Lagno here. And also rook a d8 by Deshmukh. More controls against with rook with d fast here. So this is a more pins against with Deshmukh here. Bishop e3 controls by defense by pawns here. Develops by pawns. Backwards by rook queen c8. Sorry, I got wrong notes against here. So queen c8. I cannot proper my pronouns here. So queen c8 here, not rook. The correct is queen. So queen c8 backwards against with GM Deshmukh. And also pawn c4. So what the plans with Lagno, or maybe by c5. Oh, c5 with pushes with threatening the bishop. So this is a with pushes against very strong move against with Lagno, or maybe next by this one with b4. So b4 against with next move against with Lagno. Knight to c7. Okay, what the plans with Deshmukh? Oh, without next off, this one with knight to e6. Oh, this is a maneuvers here. So this is a ideas by Dashmok here. And d5 attacks this pawn with controls here. Bishop to e5. So this is a Mr. Blunderacious. So this is a with controls against that. So this is a Blunderacious by Bishop against with GM Dashmok. So this is a Blunderacious against with double question mark by Dashmok here. So the one's computer, the best is eating the captured, and also with Bishop to f5. Okay, Bishop f5 here. So without threatening the queen. So threat the queens here and queen b3. So according this one by computer, so this is a good slightly better against with blacks because this is a more of this one with the determinations by solution. So need by this one by captured here. Okay, so back there, this one is Bishop to d5, Blunderacious with Dashmok. What the plan is with the pins against with dark square against rooks with pawns here. So pawns against rook. So this is a threatening by pinning stab against by rook. So it means Bishop e5, Queen b3. What a miss by Lagno here. So the miss against with correct is f4 pawns. Oh, f4. So this is a f4 against with Lagno without threatening the bishop here. So if you bishop backwards d6 here, and also c5 cannot let down by black pieces here without bishop. So if you knight captured here, so this is a sacrifice brilliant, and also captured one piece down. And also knight captured with bishop, queen takes captured, and also rook f e8 threatening the queens and queen d3. So according this one by computer etc etc, so this is a goods for advantage for whites here. So back there, this one is queen b3. What a worst move against with Lagno. And eating the captured, and also pawn b6. Okay, what the plans? Or maybe by a5. Oh, a5 by move against with Dashmok. So this is a provides against with positional moves here. So this is a completes against with more develops against with chess here. And also rook ad1, or maybe without plannings with upwards by rook pins against rook. So rook d files here. And also queen a6. Okay, queen a6 here. Or maybe with first by bishop with threatening the knights, because this is a more of these queens here. So it means queen a6, so does not like of this computer engine by GM Dashmok here. Okay, so the first tips for puzzle here. So what do you think about the forgot or missed by brilliant pawns with sacrifice against Grandmaster Dashmok here? So with the tips by first guessing puzzles here, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So what I missed with the best move this one is missing brilliant pawn h4. What a brilliant. So brilliant pawns with h4 against that. So what her miss against with forgot by Divya Dashmok. So this is a brilliant pawn sacrifice against with h4. So look at evaluation bar. So this is the black here is very good for by perfect by evaluation bar here. So this is a goods for one's computer advantage here for blacks here. So because this is a more controls against that with black pieces here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen a6. So what the plans with Dashmok? Oh, with next up, this one with queen to b5 without challenge by queen to queen. So this is a challenge by queen to queen here. Rook d2 by with Lagno. Or maybe without idea by battery. So without battery by next move controls here. And also rook d7 with upcoming by battery. So does not like up computer. So another bad move by Dashmok here. So the best move this one is queen b5 challenge by queen to queen. So this is a challenge by queen to queen here. The queen captured, accepted, knight captured. So this is a goods for advantage for blacks here. So this is a more of this one with continuations here. So this is a good solutions here. Okay. So back to this one is rook d7. So what the plans with Dashmok or next by battery. So this is a next battery by Conchos by Dashmok. Excelente by Lagno is knight d4. So what the good provides by with Lagno here. So what the plans, or maybe here by this one, I don't know what's the movement here. So this is a Excelente here. And Dashmok is bishop captured here. Rook takes captured. Oh, without rook captured. So this is a controls. So cannot move by battery here. So this is a targets by bishop. So this is a targets here. So do not move by rook d1 battery. So this is a blunder ratios here. And also, battery rook fd8 by Dashmok. h3 threatening the bishop and bishop f5. Rook c1 with attacks. Or maybe rook c1 here. So this is a controls by this one by continuation. So this is a bad move. So that's not like of rook c1 by Lagno. So the one's computer is a4. Okay, a4 is the best move here. So this is a provide by solutions here. So this is a goods for advantage for whites. So rook c1 against with Lagno. Knight e8. So this is a below evolution bar. So bad move by Dashmok. So that's not like of knight e8. So the best move is queen b5 again. What the Hermes by this one by Dashmok. The queen captured here, accepted, knight captured here with threatening the rooks here. So this is a more threats here. So threatening the rooks here and with rook to dc4. Okay, rook dc4 battery. So this is a goods for advantage for blacks here. So this is a good advantage here. So back there, this one is knight e8 by Dashmok. So what the plans? Oh, maybe by this one by knight to d6 here. So this is a knight d6. Knight d6 is a next maneuver by Dashmok. And pawn g4 by Lagno attacks the bishop. Captured. Bishop g6. Oh, bishop g6 here. So it means without warning. So the not captured by bishop captured. So this is a blunder ratios. So avoid by captured here. Need more provides against by with focusing by chess. Without idea with Dashmok decided backwards by bishop g6 by Dashmok here. So this is a more continuations by good move here. Without bishop f1, without attacks that threatening by light square with queens here. So this is a provides by attacks here. Without backwards by Dashmok queen b7 and without bishop b5 what good provides by Excelente by Lagno. Or maybe without attacks the rooks here. So provides here. So this is a attacks by disturbance by targets. Without rook e7 by Dashmok here. Bishop c6 attacks the against by queen. So cannot let down against with Dashmok. With queen backwards b8 and another with bishop f4. Another with Excelente with Lagno. What a good by evolution bar. So cannot let down against with Divya Dashmok. So what happened? Without bishop, because this is a bishop with threatening the queens. So this is a provides by this one with light square or dark square here. So where do you put against with queens against with Dashmok here? With that idea is knight to d6 because this is a more shield against with knights here by Divya Dashmok. So according to this one, so this is a more of this one with completely this is a with determinations here. So this is a good for positional move against with Divya Dashmok. Queen g3. Oh my god, what a strong move with Lagno. Without bishop with threatening the knights and with pin. Stabbing by queens. Because this is a more with movement by positional move against queen g3. So this is a bishop behind the queens here. So this is a provides here by movement by this one with queen. So this is a bishop with diagonals here with dark squares. So this is a stab against with knights and knights with queens here. So this is a more of this one by solutions here. And also have a rook e2. Oh my god. So it means rook e2 with Dashmok. So what's the plans? Or maybe hereby with threatening the pawns here. So this is a free pawns. So 11 minutes plus 55 seconds by Lagno plus 1 minutes plus 5 seconds by Deshmukh. So this is a black's lowest by with times here. And also King F1. Oh, with King F1 with threatening the rooks here. Rook C2 with threatening by challenge by bishop, rook to rook, sorry. So it means this is a challenge by with attacks by rook to rook. Avoided by with Lagno rook E1. With that explained, for example, why don't we accepted by rook captured, accepted, bishop captured. And also with queen to E3. So this is a more defense here by this one with rooks here. So this is a good for easy examples. So back to this one, avoided by rook e1 by Lagno here, and also with rook captured pawn accepted with d via Deshmukh. So it means without Deshmukh, without rook captured b2. Bishop captured, with threatening by this one with queens. So this same more threats here. So it means with bishop with threatening the queens here, and also queen c8. Okay, without queen c8 by avoided. So without explain here. So, sir, why don't we queen capture bishop here? It's okay by challenge by queen to queen with diagonals with dark square. And without rook e8 sacrifice here with check. So without check here. So it means if you rook captured here and with queen captured, so it means queenless, so no more by queens by Deshmukh here. Another. So second example, why don't we, if you rook captured here, if you rook capture d6, rook e8 again with check, so without check, and with traps against with queenless with queens here. So it means without queenless here. If you queen captured sacrifice, bishop captured, so it means no more by queens by Deshmukh here. So this is a queenless. So this is a first by second examples here. Okay, so back there, this one is with queen c8 avoided by with Deshmukh here, and also bishop c7. What a strong move against with GM Lagno. So without threatening the with rooks here. So without attacks, this one with positional with attacks, this is a targets here by rook. And also with rook f8 here. So this is a more of this one with 3 steps against without avoided by d via Deshmukh here, and also d6 by Lagno. What a strong move against with GM Lagno. So what the plans, or maybe here by this one with d7 with threatening the queens here. So this is a promotes by queens. So almost by this one with 11 minutes plus 6 seconds by Lagno plus 32 seconds by GM Deshmukh. So this is a dying seconds with blacks here. And also with rook c2 with threatening the bishop with light square with bishop to c6, and also pawn d7. What a strong with GM Lagno. So this is a more of this one with threatening the queens here. So this is a threats and promotes by this one with queens. So this is a very dangerous against with blacks here. And also queen a6 check here, and the last move is king g1 resigns by GM Deshmukh here. So why she resigns? So if you rook captured with bishop here, only move rook e8. So rook e8 here. So this is a very strong move here, sacrifice. If you rook captured here and promotes by queens with check, king h7, queen h3 check, and bishop to h5, and with queen captured, mating net. So kings died with murder here. So this is a loss against with blacks. Okay, so the score with Lagno 93.6, and the lowest by, this is a good by performance by score 83.4 by this one by d via Deshmukh here. Okay, so let's see of this one with final standings here, with standings after round number 13. Okay, with a score by 7.5 by Grandmaster Vaishali, the little brother of Gananda, and second by with Grandmaster Bibisar Asabayeva, and her boyfriend is with Chavusquer Sindaro, 7 points by Grandmaster Juzhiner, and 6.5 by Grandmaster Ukraine Anna Muzichov, and Grandmaster Katarina Lagno in Russia, and Grandmaster Russia Alexandra Goreshkina, 5.5 points by Grandmaster Tanzongi, and number 8 by India is Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh with 5 points here. Okay, so this is a last of this one with round number 14. So it means, so this is a two games analyzed here. So without in first by opens candidates here with Grandmaster Chavusquer Sindarov. After that, so it means with women's candidates here with Grandmaster Vaishali here. So I will analyze here with later soon. Okay, so I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loge 17, aka I call Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.